Hi guys, today the 29th of September 2023, we shall discuss about this. This is also a changeover circuit for some booster pumps, two booster pumps here. Yeah, we had already discussed this one sometimes back this month, but it was an old circuit. That was submersible pumps. Today they are booster pumps. That was actually they are not necessarily booster, yeah. These are for taking water into the upper tank, yeah, because we don't have a pressure switch here, so this one is not booster. This one was sending water. There's a lower tank here, and you can see this cable is for the float switch for checking the water under the tank, whether there is water. If there is water, it will pump the water. So that's one of the float switch. Yeah, and with me I have my friend here, Mr. Kabe. He's from India. Yeah, he's an engineer by profession, electrical engineer. He's an electrical engineer. And like I said, they have taught me, they have given me a lot of curry from India, a lot of rice, motor rice with sambal and with a lot of chili. Actually, it's only when you visit the bathroom you realize you had eaten a lot of chili the last meal. Yeah, because things can become a little bit hot. Yeah. So now this one we have, as you can observe. I want you to observe my circuit diagram here very well. You can see the circuit diagram there, and I have my initials there. The CR is standing for changeover relay. The K1 is contactor 1, K2 is contactor 2, R1 is relay 1, SS1 is selector switch 1, SS2 is selector switch 2, and we have H which is standing for hand and A is standing for auto. So this is our circuit. Just observe it. You can even make a screenshot of the circuit diagram so that you can go through it slowly. Yeah, so basically what we have done from our panel here, you can see we have two contactors here with overload. One is for contactor 1, contactor 2. We have set at 4 amps. The overload is 4 to 6 amps. And we have one relay here, yeah, and this is a single phase motors, they are small motors. So we have the incoming there, you can see red and blue. Yeah, red and blue is my phase, and the red is the phase and blue is the neutral. Yeah, then I have because it's just a single phase, I have looped the neutral from here to the outgoing and this other outgoing. Then the red phase, yeah, through these two breakers. One breaker is for this circuit and one breaker is for this circuit. So I come like this, I go down there at the overload, I make again a loop, it comes again up from here, go back and finally go out. So in that case the current flow inside the three lines will be easily detected from each line. So the overload will comfortably, it can trip it very comfortably because at the flow is through all of them. The same case applies to this one. So we shall go through our circuit and we shall be able to get one more or two things about it. Yeah. So yeah, from our circuit here you can see from the breaker, our control circuit will start with number 1. Number 1 is the main thing. Number 1 is the one also which is supplying the main for this one. This circuit, first lamp. This first lamp is showing there is power, which is yellow here in color. Yellow here in color, and we have lamp number 25. Which is through K1, it will show the first, it is a green lamp for run. Yeah, for run here. Yeah, this one 25, it will show the first pump. The first pump is running. Yeah, you can see here. Then we have number 27 from K2. Number 27 from K2 showing the pump 2 is running. Then we have the trip lamps. From overload 1, we have number 26. Down there, we have number 26, which is going to the trip lamp here. And we have number 28 from the other motor 2. It's also going to the trip lamp down there. This is down here, which is red in color. Yeah, 28. Yeah. Okay. Those are the lamps. Then we have our circuit here. This circuit, yeah, you can see number 1, point 1, point 2. This one I'll connect the float switch of the lower tank. So in case the lower tank there is no water, it will cut the supply which is going both to the hand and to the outer. So in this case our contactor will not energize. Our motors will not run either in hand or outer. It will not run. In case here we connect the lower tank float switch. The upper tank float switch is here. 2, 3, yeah. So the upper tank float switch, once it connects here, this one will come to selector switch 1 outer side. I've denoted by A, and selector switch 2 outer side, which is outer side. Then it will energize the CR, which is the changeover relay. So you know when you interrupt, so here number 2, 3, when you interrupt in 2, 3, in fact you are changing the CR to change here. You are making the CR change. Let me show. So the moment you interrupt this one, if you interrupt this one, you are cutting. Basically, what you are doing, you are cutting the supply to the CR. When you connect again, so this contact will keep on changing, either this side or this side. So it will be running pump 1, pump 2, pump 1, pump 2, as long as this one is interrupted. If you disconnect one of them, suppose you put one of them in off, so our CR will not change position, it will remain in one position. So if maybe SS1 is off, SS1 is off, in that case this line, you don't want this line to work. So this one will not be interrupted. This one you can set manually to this side. If it was not this side, you can set manually to this side. Then each time there is a connection here, it's only R which will be coming in, and when R comes in, you see, it will connect here and the current will continue flowing in this side. This side is outer, and it will keep on running that one. Suppose the same case, this one maybe happens, this one is also off. If both of them are off, that means you cannot run on. If both of them are off, you can run in hand. You can comfortably run hand side. Yeah, you see this one is hand side. This one is hand side. Okay. Yeah. If both, and if they are off, this relay can come in, but here already you have cut. Here you already have cut. You have cut. If both of them are off, here you have cut. Our relay will be on, just in case of auto. It will be on, but the moment it reaches here, it is cut. The moment it reaches here, it is cut, so it will not run. But
flow disconnected.
Oh yeah, but on hand, it will be very, very comfortable. Okay. Now, the other thing, yeah, I've just explained. If one of them is off, this CR or the latch switch will not change it, be changing over from here to here. So it is one direction which will work. Okay. And another thing, yeah, I think I've explained much that I can explain. And in case this one, the float switch for the lower tank, this one is off, or it is damaged, or there is no water, so both the hand and outer side cannot work. Yeah, our circuit is as simple as that. Yeah, it is not complicated. So thank you guys, and we meet next time. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. And I have another technician here. I don't know from which country. You can introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Sagar from India.
Okay.
I am working in UAE.
Electrician as well.
Yeah, electrical or plumber.
Okay.